how to delete the purchase requisition in SAP, and we will see what is the effect of the deletion of the purchase requisition on your respective commitment item budget. Okay, so we have a purchase requisition, and the general ledger account in which the PR is booked is 5020701, and respective commitment item is B09502. What is the budget effect? Okay, so first we will check the budget effect. So we are going to use the transaction code ZR55. Okay, and report group Z004. Okay, in the version 10 and fiscal year 2021, and the fund center is F3002, and what is the commitment item? B09502. Fine, V09502, and you just execute. What is the actual 2001? Actual booking is 2001, and once we delete the purchase requisition, then what is the effect on that? So first I have to execute the transaction code ME54N, ME53N to open the purchase requisition. Okay, what is our purchase requisition? This is our purchase requisition. You need to copy this. This is the purchase requisition. Okay, it is in the release mode. Okay, what is the amount of the purchase requisition? It's 2000 rupees. Fine. Okay, actual cost in booking in respective commitment item is 2001. So I'm just going to delete this purchase requisition because no more required. So just execute the transaction code ME54N. ME53N is for display. ME54N is for release. The same purchase requisition is reflecting here. So first of all, we have to cancel this purchase requisition. We just remove the release effect R2. First I am trying to cancel the release R2, then R1. Okay, then click on the save. Okay, then again I am just executing the transaction code ME52N for do any changes in the purchase requisition. This is our purchase requisition. By default it capturing this purchase requisition. Now go on this. Okay, you need to zero point 0.01. Why I am doing this? Quantity is single, because once you delete the service line item, the system giving you the error. Okay, so I am just making this quantity 1 and amount is 0.01 and saving. Fine. And now I'm just trying to again go in the display change mode, selecting this line and click on the delete. Again I'm clicking on the save. Okay, see the account assignment is 5020701. Okay, 5020701, respective commitment item is B09502. Fine. Now I'm going to check again the effect of OPEX budget in this commitment item. Okay, I'm just going to exit, again executing. See, before the actual booking is 2000. Now the difference is reflecting, that is 1 rupees. Fine. If the X amount of the budget is allotted and Y amount of the booking is done, then the difference is X minus Y, which is available budget is reflecting here. So find out, identify the unused purchase requisition, unused purchase order, which are already getting the budget, utilizing the budget. Delete those purchase orders, delete those purchase requisition and maintenance order. Okay, so the available budget, unused budget will free for your new work. Okay, so frequently queries is coming, how can we free the budget, how can we utilize such type of the budget which is already booked in some expenses, unused expenses. So this is the way how you can delete the purchase requisition. Okay, now our purchase requisition is deleted. So what we have done, our purchase requisition is approved. First we have to unapprove that purchase requisition from the competent authority which has already approved the purchase requisition using ME54N. Okay, then go in the ME52N, do the service line amount is 0.01 and select the purchase requisition main header line and set the deletion flag and save. Your budget will free. Okay, budget which is binded in this PR will now free. I have also checked in the GR55. So thank you for watching this SAP video tutorial. Hope you like this. Okay, this is purely training and test purpose tutorial for just your understanding. Okay, if you have any query in your mind, please mention in the comment section. Also reach us at erpsapteam1@gmail.com. Thanks. Have a nice day.